Hey guys, it's Jeffree from beautyriotx, and today we're doing a little bit of a glam get ready with me chit chat kind of video. So without further ado, here we go. And as usual, everything will be listed in the box below if you're interested in knowing what I use. So this is the Rude Cosmetics Badass RudeGirl eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. If you are a watcher of Samantha Ravndal or Jessica Braun Jam Beauty, then you will be familiar with Smith cosmetic brushes. I got my first one recently. This is the 247. This has been rocking my world. Anyway, let's just get on with it. So, did anybody see pictures from the Met Gala last night? Today that I'm recording this is Tuesday, May, what the hell day is it? 7th. Today's May 7th. Some of those outfits were magnificent. Who did I love? I'll show the picture of her on the screen. Probably the best dressed, like the classiest. Oh my God, she just looked, I just thought she looked amazing. I mean, Lady Gaga just is a statement piece, but the person I think looked most amazing, I think was this chick. So I wanna know, what are some small YouTubers that you guys like besides me? The title small YouTuber is obviously subjective. I'm a small YouTuber, but a small YouTuber is anybody under like 150,000 subscribers. That's a small YouTuber to me. I've really been liking this British chick named Missa A. I'll write it on the screen. Her name's Melissa. I don't remember exactly what her actual like YouTube handle is, but she's super fucking cute. You should definitely go check her out. She's real sassy. And she makes fun of herself, which I love. Like, if you've been watching me for a minute, you'd know that YouTubers who come on here and act like they're fucking perfect is so irritating to me. None of us are perfect. I don't like people who act like they are. And that's not to say I like negative people. It's not that. It's just that I like when a YouTuber is down to earth. You know what? I feel the same way like with a guy. I like a guy who doesn't know how attractive he is. Do you know what I mean? It's just my jam. So there's this really talented, gorgeous girl on Instagram, Alyssa. Again, I will leave her handle on the screen. I think she's an artist for Anastasia Beverly Hills. She does these amazing eye looks, and I always screenshot her pictures like for inspiration. I have stupid fucking hooded lids, which just ruin life. And I like to use her pictures as inspiration, like not really to copy her eye look, but to use as like color ideas for my eye looks. Like what colors go together, what looks good together. Because anybody else has a problem doing that? Like sometimes I will sit here and look at my thousands of eyeshadow palettes and just think, what colors go together? I know color theory. I'm a hairstylist. I fucking know what colors go together and what don't and what cancel each other out. But for some reason, when I look at an eyeshadow palette, all of a sudden I'm like, warms go together, cools go together. But I can't for the life of me figure out what eye look to do. It's very irritating. I'm not gonna show you my inspiration for this eye look because it's probably going to look nothing even similar. I don't want to embarrass myself further. This is a pretty nice palette though. I don't reach for it that often. Very nice. I really like that it's like a nice mix of tones in here. It's like got a lot of nice cools, warms, neutrals. It's a good mix. I'm also working on a really good dupe video. I've been finding some like killer dupes lately for some really nice high-end stuff, so I've been working on that video. I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Like legit, I'm still just using the Smith brush. It's so good. I was at Ulta today, and normally I actually don't get into the store very often because the one that's by me is right next to Target. And normally when I go, it's pretty early in the morning before Ulta's actually open, so I don't usually get to go like in the store. And I ended up buying a Morphe brush, probably the first Morphe brush I've bought in a while. I own a ton of Morphe brushes. I love Morphe brushes. I think they're great. The other stuff, well, you know. And now as I'm sitting here with it, I'm like, do I already fucking have this brush? Morphe brushes just all seem to blend together for me. Now that I got it home, I'm like, I might have this, but now I'm not sure. It's the M433. Now I have to look through the rest of my brushes to see if I actually have this again or not. So I really want to do that makeup video where you do your makeup using makeup applications that you don't feel comfortable actually using, or the ones that you don't typically use. I normally start my eyeshadow with the lightest color, and it's like up here, and like I work my way down to the darkest color, and then the cut crease and whatever. But I see, oh, the girl I was talking about, Melissa. I see her and she always starts like right at her crease with a really dark shade, and then works her way up and blends kind of backwards. That makes me so uncomfortable seeing her do that. Like, oh my God, like what if you mess up and to start all over again and this and that. But like, I feel like I want to try that because there's other things I also don't do. And yes, I realize this isn't very glam, but we're just gonna say it is. Normally I use this stuff with glitter glue or something, but I'm not going to today because I don't want to mess up like the underneath. So I'm just gonna tap. It should be fine just tapping it on top. And this is the Touch and Soul Metallist eyeshadow. All right, I'm gonna do my lashes and my liquid liner and I'll come back and we'll do the rest of the face together. So I'll be right back. All right, eyebrows are done, lashes are on. We're gonna go on to the rest of the face. Primer's on. I use my LORAC Pro. I have my under eye primer on. Moisturizer, all that. I am actually mixing my Sunday Riley Influencer and Beauty Blender foundations together. I don't think they make this one anymore. I think there was like something going on with it and they stopped making it. I think it's okay. I don't think it's worth the price, honestly. This is in 140 and my Beauty Blender is in 2.20. This is one of my favorites. I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star Concealer. I have been using this on and off since I got it. I still think it's okay. Oh my God though, but the amount of people who had said, oh, you should really use a color corrector under that. I guess to cancel out my dark circles. Guess what? My dark circles don't bother me. I use concealer, but if some dark circles shine through, I don't care. Did anybody get anything from the Sephora VIB sale? I didn't end up getting anything. I wanted to. I really wanted that Marc Jacobs. Really, the only thing that I had in my cart was the Marc Jacobs new Runway Glaze highlighter. I didn't get it. I know I can live without it. If it was like 20 bucks, I probably would have gotten it, but it was like almost 50. Even with the 15% off that I would have gotten, I was just like, I don't think so. But let me know what you guys got because I can live vicariously through you. I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Plus. I just went ahead and finished smoking out my under eye just because I don't have the world's longest battery, so I didn't want to waste time doing that for 20 minutes. This stuff is just so gorgeous. I can't even take it. Like, oh my God, it just shifts to this gorgeous like gold, orange, green. Like in this, right now in front of me, it looks yellow green. I don't know what color it looks on camera, but in real life, it's amazing. I just figured I'd switch some stuff up, stuff I don't use all that often. So this is the Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm gonna use the like liquid contour from this is officially gross, but the powder is especially lovely, so I'm gonna go on and use that. It's got that nice kind of neutral undertone. This is a Japanese brush that I got from Marshall's like a few weeks ago for like $3.99. It's like the dupe for the NARS brush. I think it's like, I don't remember what the fuck brush it is, but it's very nice. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E4 brush. I'm gonna use the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. It's one of my favorite palettes. And I think I'm gonna use this shade over here. This stuff is very pigmented, so I have to use a really light hand. But it gives a really, really pretty glow to the skin. Ugh, but man, this color is like my fucking jam. I don't know what lip we're gonna do. I don't want to just go in with a nude. Like, I feel like I want to do something different. Maybe Mind Trick? I wear Mind Trick all the time. We'll do Mind Trick. I love a good orange lip shade, but once it goes into like brown territory, then I get kind of weird. All right, and now we're gonna finish with highlighter, and this is the Pure Highlight Palette. That's all it says. I got this in a box, I'm pretty sure. This is amazing, and I can get away with every single color in here. There's nothing too dark, there's nothing too light. This all works for my skin tone, which is so exciting. That never happens. So I think I'm actually just gonna go in with Star Bright, which is right here.
Starbright, Starbright.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And there's no like chunks of shit on your face. Like, it's just pretty smooth, like it doesn't settle into fine lines. It's gorgeous. All right, so that was my little glam get ready with me. What did you guys think? What products did you like the best? And let me know what you got from the CIB, the VIB Sephora sale in the comments below. And make sure if you are interested in knowing anything that I used, it's all listed in the box below. I don't list links to things. Like, I'm not gonna be like, here are all these affiliate links for all the shit that I used on my face. It's just a list of stuff that I used. So without further ado, I'm done. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.